Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of a lot I brought from Tanya. This lot is amazing. There are several pieces I would love to keep in here, but I'm going to offer them all for sale first. I also want to announce that later today there will be a 15% off sale. Everything on my channel that is shown this week or in the past 60 days will be 15% off, and I'll upload a short when that sale begins. And first I want to show two items that weren't in this lot. I listed this today. It's sterling silver, amber, calla lily. Absolutely gorgeous. Size 8. Art Nouveau style. And this one will be $95. It's mine. It's my personal ring, but it's a little bit larger than I usually wear, so I don't reach for it as much, and it deserves to be worn. And then next, I bought this also from Tanya. And I thought she said it was a size 7. However, it is a size 6, so it does not fit me. Gorgeous setting. Blue moonstone, faceted. Sterling silver. This ring is beautiful. I really, truly love it. And we can do that one for $35. Alright, let's get into the lot. I'm going to try to keep this short, sweet, and simple because I've been having an issue with upload time. It's been taking quite a long time for me to get videos uploaded, so the shorter the better. So first I have a pair of glass earrings. They are black and AB coated, wired on, very pretty. And we can do, let's do $8 on those. Those are gorgeous, definitely vintage, really pretty. And next we have a silver tone, looks like dyed quartz, and this like rainbow dyed. It is like right at a 5.5. It's a really large face on this ring. And there's the back of it. And we'll do that one for $10. And then we have, this is a heart bracelet. I have not cleaned any of these items. Silver tone metal. This one does have a mark. I didn't even see that. Let's see. It says SJ with the R inside of a circle. And it might be discolored a little bit here. We'll do that one for $2. We have a silver tone faceted black glass ring. It says something in there. I cannot make out what that says. And it is a size 7. And we can do that one for, let's see if that's schmutz or if it's chipped. Let's do that one for $5. Can't tell if there's a little chip or it's just dirt. I see my fingerprints on it for sure. You see right there at the bottom? $5. Alright, we have another silver tone ring. And it is green. It is almost the size of 8. Statement cocktail ring. And we can do that one for, let's do $8 on that. That's really pretty. Love the setting. And we have this face brooch. It looks like a JJ. However, this one's not marked. And if you see on the face, there's a little bit of wear to it. There's your back. So we'll do $2 on her. I can't find the other one of this. It was there when I got the box. Don't know where it is. No telling. These look like 80s to me. Clip-on, mixed metal, fun funkiness. Let's see if I can get a hold of them to show you. Definitely look 80s to me. Absolutely fun. And we'll do $6 on those. And we have a statement necklace, brass tone. These are acrylic. Reminds me of a J. Crew. I have not cleaned these items. I think I already said that, but the price will reflect that. I will wipe it down for you, though, if you would like me to. It's really pretty. Let's do $8 on that. So these I really want to keep. But like I said, I want to offer everything to you guys before it doesn't sell. Then I will not be listing these. I will absolutely keep these. They're so lightweight and comfortable, yet they are like 3 inches long. Gorgeous sterling silver earrings. And these will be $22. Really, really love these. And they're so comfortable. And yes, I've already worn them. Yes, 3-inch drop on those. $22 for the sterling earrings. And we have one of these Pandora style silver tone with red charms on it. Let's do $5 on that. We have a stretch bracelet. These are acrylic. These are glass. Let's do $1 on that. Good stretch still. Acrylic hoop earrings, lightweight and comfortable. Let's do $2 on those. We have a stretch ring that is tangled up in one of my favorite necklaces. It is a frog with rhinestones, little black eyes, stretch ring. Let's do $4 on him. He's a big frog. He is 1.5-inch frog. I think this one is on. Let's do this one first. Some silver tone and some hematite colored memory wire bracelet. Do $1 on that. Glass faux pearls. There's your clasp. We'll do $8 on those. Really pretty. This is a Chico's metal, like animal print pendant on this braided, looks like brand new, like it's never been worn. There's your Chico's tag, long extender here. Let's do $8 on that one. Checking for marks on this one. I don't see any. It is either onyx or black glass. And then these ones next to the larger beads look like hematite. Really pretty necklace. We'll do $8 on that one. Tangles, tangles, tangles. Okay. Red glass toggle bracelet. We'll do $5 on that. This guy is missing rhinestones, which is a bummer because it's really, really stinking cute. See the missing rhinestones there? We'll do $1 on that. This is one of the ones I would like to keep, but I don't need it. I have plenty of jewelry. It is J. Crew. Be great for layering. Gold tone chain, glass beads, and little rondelles. Absolutely love this. $15. See, I was hesitant. I don't want to show that one. This one I also love, and this is another one I will not list. I will absolutely be keeping. This is Silver Tone Mark Japan, red glass, choker or collar length. It has a long extender. The silver tone metal is in excellent condition. It has a shepherd's hook closure. This is absolutely stunning. I love this. Love, love, love this. It is going to be, let's do $22 on that one. We have a silver tone pendant here on this corded with an extender. Let's do $2 on that. This bracelet's really cool. It has these two little charms on it here. Pretty cool. Spring ring, big spring ring closure. Let's do $10 on that. And this is one of these twist and magnetic closures. Looks silver plated because that looks tarnished. Fabric braided with these like seed beads on the edges. Silver tone pendant. And we can do that one for $5. We have a stretch. $1. And we have a large brooch. black acrylic and AB. I can't tell if that's glass or not. I think there's something broke off right here. So we'll do this one for $1. Somebody would like to craft with that. It's pretty. We have a glass faceted stretch bracelet. Good stretch. $2 on that. This looks like a basketball to me. Rhinestone basketball with stretch. And we'll do $2 on that. This is, I think, supposed to be a stretch, but there's like no stretch, and if I pull it, it'll stretch it out. But I love the tiger's eye beads on this. Gorgeous tiger's eye on there. Put that one. Ooh. All right, $1. I love this one also. I don't know that this pendant is original to this chain, but we have this gold tone chain with a lobster claw clasp. And this gold tone with either onyx or black glass. Let's see. Looks like glass. Pendant, really pretty. The pendant definitely looks vintage. Let's do $8 on that one. We have a stretch with a cross. Oh, it's missing 2 rhinestones right there. $1. Black glass though, you could use those beads. All right, red glass, spring ring closure, gorgeous faceted red glass. Let's do $13 on that one. Love this one too. Spring ring closure, either glass or onyx, rose quartz, these ceramic beads. Absolutely pretty. Asian inspired for sure. And let's do $15 on that one. These are signed underneath this. Why they do that, I don't know. They mark them and then they put the back on it, so I have no idea what they say. Screwback earrings, abalone shell, really gorgeous, $10. And I did test this one. The chain is not sterling, but the pendant is. I really like the pendant. It's cool, different turquoise, sterling silver. And we can do $18 on that. And there's a chain. It has this kind of closure. It says 925, but I tested it. It did not test for me. And last are my 2 favorites, I guess. There's a lot I loved in this. Spring ring closure. This definitely looks like Swarovski. It's definitely crystal. Not sure if it's just Austrian crystal or Swarovski that's lost a tag. I really, really love this necklace a lot. We can do $22 on it if anybody's interested. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we have this glass one. Looks artisan made. These beads all go together quite nice. All glass. You know, I didn't even test these. Could be sterling, I don't know. I didn't test them. But these are the star of the show. They're foil glass. They look like dragon's breath in there. They're like amazing. This gorgeous. The amount of work that goes into making beads like this is incredible. And on this one, we'll do $25 if anybody's interested. If you want to purchase anything you've seen in this video, please email me. That'll be in the description below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate everybody who's been viewing my channel and helping me get started back. I have a little extra spare time this week, so hopefully I'll be making a few more videos for you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.